Yeah, it's like it's early. Come on.
Amazing also how you can even miss these big elephants,
Right?
big animals like this.
Right in the tree.
Yeah, can just stash themselves in the middle of the bushes and then you get. Very relaxed. Fifteen Danish. 50. Yeah, like I've seen this many times.
Yes.
Yeah, no big deal.